As we've discussed, social media can be used to promote a local safety event, demonstrate the involvement of your practice or clinic in a national health campaign, or quickly get urgent information to your patient families and community. Now that you're excited about all of the social media's possibilities, it's necessary to acknowledge some challenges that it creates. Whenever you're communicating via social media or through any other means, patient privacy and confidentiality are of the utmost importance. A confidentiality breach on a social media site that could be viewed by millions of people may not only be hurtful to a patient and their family, but also is a violation of federal privacy laws such as HIPAA. To avoid a HIPAA violation, information that could be used to identify patients should never be shared on social media, just like it should not be shared on any non-clinical communication. Sharing information like patients' names, other identifying information, or photographs could constitute a serious HIPAA violation, resulting in fines and possibly prison time. To help you and your practice use social media appropriately, here are some simple do's and don'ts. Talk about health issues, research, and prevention. Patients, patient families, and community members are looking to you for accurate, up-to-date health and safety information. Use your social media presence to keep your followers informed. Just make sure to talk about health and safety concerns in general terms, without using specific patient information for examples. Check the tone of your social media presence. You will be using social media to share important health and safety information with your followers and the public. Make sure the tone of your posts stays professional and friendly. If you're concerned about the tone of the post, ask someone else to read it before making it public. Separate your personal and professional social media accounts. Having a professional social media account doesn't mean you can't have a personal account to connect with your friends and family as well. However, you will want to make sure you keep the two accounts separate. This means checking your privacy settings regularly, assuming that any posts you make could become public and not connecting with patients or patient families on your personal accounts. Do not talk about your patients, even in general terms. Any information including the time and date of a visit or of the location of your practice or clinic, when coupled with a specific condition, could be enough for someone to connect the dots and determine the patient that you're posting about. The best practice is to not talk about a patient, not even in the broadest terms. Do not be anonymous. Anonymity encourages bad behavior. The best way to ensure that your posts stay professional, friendly, and stay in the line with HIPAA regulations is knowing that they are connected to you and your practice or clinic. If it doesn't pass the elevator test, don't post it online. Before sharing anything through social media, stop and think, would I share this information while in an elevator with others listening? Read the post out loud. If it doesn't pass the elevator test, then it isn't information that should be shared through social media. With these simple do's and don'ts, you are well on your way to effectively and appropriately using social media.